Hello everyone, my name is Om Patil and today I will be delivering a presentation on Is Customization Fruitful in Industrialized Home Building. This is Project 1 article presentation for the course CEM 710. This presentation is based on research by Asbalna Namis and Vishal Binro, which examines how the customization impacts industrialized home building, specifically in manufactured homes, urban development and modular homes. With this rising demand of personalized homes, builders face challenges in maintaining their efficiency, controlling their cost, and meeting the customer expectations. Throughout this presentation, we will explore the key findings of this research, analyze the challenges of customization, and discuss the strategies to balance the efficiency with personalized home building. Before we dive into the details, here is an overview of what this presentation will cover. First is the learning objective. What was the goal and the significance of this research? Second is the introduction, background on the industrialized home building and its customization. Third is the methodology, how the study was conducted. Fourth is the findings, what were the key results on this efficiency of the employees, their satisfaction, and their customer experience. Fifth is the conclusion, what will be the main takeaways from the study. Sixth is the critique and limitations, which shows the weakness and the constraints of this research. Seventh is the most interesting finding, which had unexpected insights from the study. Eighth is the future research recommendation, areas that need further explorations. And ninth is the reference, acknowledged of the sources and the supporting materials. In this presentation, you are going to see the learning objective of this research paper. How customization impacts home building industry, particularly in terms of operational efficiency, employees, and customer satisfaction. We will explore whether the offerings have more choices. Does it slow down the production? Does it increases the labor cost? Or it reduces the space efficiency? Or it can be managed effectively? You will also learn how customization affects the worker. Does it make the job more engaging or lead to lower turnover? Additionally, we will discuss the impact on the customers, examining whether they have more options truly leads to higher satisfaction or the frustration due to its unmet conditions. Another key area we will explore is feasibility of mass customization in the home building. Finally, you will also gain an insight of future research, direction, and its opportunity that can help customization become more effective both for the builders and the home buyers. Now we will go through the introduction part of this research. This research explores how customization impacts the efficiency, workers, and customers in industrialized home building. As home buyers seek personalized homes, builders face new challenges. Customization often leads to higher cost, slower production, and reduced efficiency, making it more difficult for the companies to balance the personalization and the streamlined process. The study focuses on manufactured home built and modular homes, analyzing how the customization affects the construction and labor requirements, also meet the customer expectations. Continuing from our previous slide, we will now take a closer look into growing demands of customization and its impact on home building. Building a home is not just longer a functionality, but home buyers now want personalized designs that matches their styles and their needs. This growing demand for customization is changing the home building industry. So why is this customization growing? People want homes that feel unique rather than just the standard models. Builders must find the way to offer the personalization while maintaining its efficiency. What are the challenges for the builders? Customization can increase the cost, slow down the production, and create inefficiencies for them. These changes is between the balance of customization with effective cost and efficient construction. What is the role of industrialized home building? Modular homes provide faster and more affordable way to build homes. Some level of customization is possible, but too much can disrupt the efficiency. What does this study focus and what is the research aim about this research? This research examines how customization affects the efficiency and its satisfaction. The goal is to find out if customization can be effectively managed without reducing the productivity. Now let us look how the study was conducted. First was the data collection. The study surveyed 150 home producers with 141 of responses collected from 275 of plants. which was about 51%. Researchers gathered the data on customization levels, efficiency, labor cost, space use, employee and customer satisfaction. How was the data analyzed? The study used Pearson correlation to compare the customization with its performance. Regression models were applied to understand the impact of customization, labor, space, and its satisfaction. What were the key findings unmeasured? The study focused on impact of customization with their efficiency, both employee and customer satisfaction, and their labor cost. Continuing with our methodology, the study tested three key hypotheses to understand the impact of customization. First was the production efficiency declines with the increasing in customization. Second hypothesis was the employee satisfaction differs with the level of customization. Third hypothesis was the customer satisfaction differs to the level of customization. In first hypothesis, higher customization reduces the efficiency due to increased labor time and material variety. The study confirmed that the increased customization leads to higher cost and slower production, reducing its efficiency. In second hypothesis, the employees in customized production reported lower turnover rates and higher job fulfillment. Workforce management became more complex, requiring more planning and training. This study confirmed that the customization boosts the job satisfaction but increases the management challenges. In the third hypothesis, longer wait times and higher cost further frustrated the buyers. Factors with the strong quality control programs required higher customer satisfaction despite of customization challenges. This study confirmed that the customization lowers the satisfaction, but the quality improvement measures can be helped. This study shows that while customization is great, in some ways it also brings lots of changes. Let us break this down. First is customization, reduce the efficiency. The more custom features the home has, the longer it takes to build. This increased labor cost slows down the production and makes the factory less space efficient. Second is the customization improves the employee satisfaction. Employees enjoy different and creative tasks while making their changes in their job more interesting. This reduces the employee turnover, meaning fewer workers will leave the job. Third is customization lowers the customer satisfaction. More choices sounds great, but to raise the expectations is hard. When things take longer or cost more, customers can get frustrated and feel disappointed. Fourth, standardization and customization. Standardized homes are built faster and more efficiently. But as customization is added, the process becomes more complicated and it takes longer. Fifth is the lean production, helps efficiency. Lean production method helps the builder reduce the waste and work more efficiently. This can change the customization easier to manage without slowing down everything down too much. The key performance metrics impacted on four parts. First is the labor cost, it increases it. Turnover gets low, space efficiency gets low. Also, the customer satisfaction can sometimes get low. This research uncovered some really interesting points about customization in home building. Some of them were even more surprising. First, more choices don't always make customers happy. Some people think having more customization is great, but in reality, it leads to longer wait times, higher cost, and unmet expectations. When homes take too long to build, become too more expensive, customers feel frustrated. Second, worker benefits of customization. Employees enjoy working on customized projects because it gives them more engaging and creative tasks. This, all, this also means they are most likely to leave their jobs, which helps the company to retain the skilled workers. Third will be quality control, making a big difference. Companies that invest in strong quality programs experience fewer defects and more satisfied customers. Fourth, customization versus efficiency, it's a never-ending struggle. The more builders allow customization, the less efficient their process becomes. Higher cost, slower production, and complexity. What will be the key takeaway? Customization alone is not a solution. It needs to be balanced with efficiency and quality. But to truly benefit both the builder and the buyer. Let us move on to the conclusion of this research. First, balancing standardization and customization. Builders need to find the way to make the homes personal while still keeping the process fast and cost effective. Second, customization and efficiency trade-off. The more options people get, the higher the cost and the slower the building process. Third, the employee satisfaction and retention. Employees like doing creative work, which helps them to stay happy and engaged. But managing the team, highly customized process can be more complicated. Fifth will be customer expectation and dissatisfactions. More options make customers expect perfection, but longer wait times, extra cost can lead to disappointment. Fifth will be lean building can help. What is the need? Using smart building technique can reduce the waste and improve the efficiency, however making the home unique without slowing down the process. What will be my final thought around this? Is customization is important, but it needs to be balanced with the efficiency and quality. The future home building depends on finding the better way to offer customization without making it too slow or expensive. Let us move to its critique and its limitations. First is limited sample size. Second, there is no long-term impact analysis. Third, focused only on the US market. Fifth, the data collection was biased. Now let us take a closer look at the limitations of the study and how they impacted the key findings. The limited size sample. The study surveyed only 150 home producers, which is a small group compared to the entire industry. This means the result may not be fully representative. A large sample size could give more reliable and generalizable insights. Second is no long-term impact analysis. The research only examines the short-term effects of the customization, like immediate cost and its efficiencies. It doesn't analyze the long-term financial sustainability, meaning we don't know if the customization is beneficial over the time. Third is focus only on the US market. The study concludes the international data, so findings may not apply to other countries. Since the construction practices and the customer expectations differ globally, the result is limited to the US industry. Fifth would be data collection bias. The customer satisfaction was self-reported, meaning it was based on the personal options rather than the objective data. No direct customer surveys were conducted, making the satisfaction result more reliable. What does this mean? While the study provides important insights, the future research should use a longer sample size, analyze the long-term effect, and include the international data. Improving the data collection method, like direct customer survey, could give a more accurate result. Even though this study gives a great insights, there are still areas to more explore. Here are some key areas for future research. First, enhancing the customer-focused customization, workforce retention through its skill development. Builders need to understand what customization really want. Create homes that matches the needs and staying efficient. At the same time, workers need some better training and skill development to handle customized projects without delays or mistakes. In the second, integration of lean production with high customization. Lean production helps to reduce the waste and speed up the building. Future research should look at how to combine the efficiency with personalized designs without making it too slow or costly. In third, cultural influences on industrialized home building. People from different backgrounds have different expectations of their home. Research should focus on how cultural shapes the customization preferences. In the fourth, mass customization with its cost control. One of the biggest challenges is to make customized homes affordable for everyone, and future studies should explore the way of more customization. The findings of this presentation are based on the research paper by Asbelna Nemans and Vishal Bendro, published in the journal Construction, Engineering and Management ASCE. Additionally, supporting information was being gathered from various sources. That brings us to an end of this presentation. Thank you all for your time and your attention. I have one question before we conclude. Is customization increases the labor cost? Should companies shift towards automation, even if it means reducing the job? Is there a necessary trade-off of probability? At the end, I look forward to any questions and discussions you may have. Thank you.